The reason we call this quick frame is because assembly is fast and easy, and all you need to put it together is a soft-faced hammer or a rubber mallet. You don't want to mar the end of the nylon connectors with the hammer, so use a soft-faced hammer. Assembly is very quick. You simply line up the connector in the end of the profile and give it a good whack with your hammer. Simply line up the other profile and do the same thing. And that's how simple it is with quick frame.
Beautiful.
Okay. We got a few shavings out here, so we know that it's engaging.
Yeah, I was hoping we could touch on a couple of.
Oh, okay. Well, I can still mention those
Okay.
as an add-on.
Just give that a few extra whacks, and then go into.
How was I? I was doing that this way, wasn't I?
Yeah.
This way. Okay.
And then we'll use that as a cut point. We'll switch to that, watching you using your muscles to
Okay.
hammer that in, and then we'll switch back to.
Then I'll just come back. I can come back and say connectors are also offered in 3-way, 4-way, different corner configurations. Consult your catalog.
But they work this very much the same way as.
Okay,
the
they all
two-way.
work the same way. Consult your catalog for the different configurations. Okay, gotcha.
And you can make bird cages.
Certainly. Okay, ready?
Yep.
And assembling quick frame is really that simple. Now the corner connectors are available in different configurations. You see here a couple different 3-way connectors. We have 4-way, 5-way. Consult the catalog for the type of connector that fits your application.
Beautiful.